We got the all-new Royal Reese's Fluffernutter Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It has Reese's cups, like Reese's toppings or like peanut butter toppings, and then it's supposed to have a marshmallow center base, but of course, you know, they mix it all in. So hopefully the marshmallow is in every single bite. We got it. Let's try it. Let's see how this is. That's a whole lot of Reese's, that's for sure. That's pretty good. You definitely got to enjoy peanut butter, so love this. I'm not crazy about peanut butter, but this is good. Easily a 9 out of 10. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it, though. Wow.